Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now, are you tired of spending hours replying to Instagram DMs, following up with leads, or running promotions manually? What if I told you that there is a tool that can handle all of that and help you grow your business? Today, we're going to talk about ManyChat. This is one of the best tools for Instagram automation, whether you're looking for to save time, boost engagement, or turn followers into customers. This video is in for you. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, before we dive into ManyChat itself, let's talk about why automation matters on Instagram. Now, first things first, this tool right here can help you save time. Managing DMs, comments, and story replies can eat up hours every day. With automation, you can handle hundreds of messages in minutes. It also boosts engagement with faster replies, meaning happier followers. Plus, Instagram's algorithm favors accounts that interact with users regularly. And so, it also drives sales. Whether you're selling products or services, automating the customer's journey from inquiries to checkout can significantly increase your revenue. Now think of it this way. Automation helps you focus on the creative side of your business while the system handles the repetitive task. And so, what exactly is ManyChat? It's a platform that helps you build chatbots and automation workflows for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and more. But in this video, we are going to talk about Instagram specifically. Now, it allows you to automatically reply to DMs and comments, collect leads and customer details through the chat flows, run promotions and giveaways, and lastly, even sells products directly in DMs. Now, it's designed to make your Instagram feel more personal and professional at the same time. So, now that you know how powerful this tool is, now basically let's get started. You simply want to head over to the official website, which is manychat.com/product/Instagram. And from here, you can then go ahead and see this button called Get Started. You can simply go ahead and click on it, and from here, it will then go ahead and take us to the authentication page. We can then go ahead and log in our account using Google or Facebook. And in here, it will then go ahead and ask you to verify your email address. So you simply want to go ahead and enter it inside. And right after that, it will then go ahead and ask you these questions. What type of company do you work for? You can just go ahead and click on this drop down menu. And from here, you have options like business, marketing agency, freelancer, and others. In my case, I'll just go ahead and choose business, and right after that, it will then go ahead and have this follow-up questions. From there, you want to go ahead and click on next, and right after, it will then go ahead and ask us on where we want this tool to be integrated with. Of course, in our case, let's go ahead and click on Instagram. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Instagram to go ahead and connect to your Instagram account. Right after logging in your account from Instagram, you can then go ahead and see this option right here where you can go ahead and activate the pro trial, or you can just go start with the free trial. In my case, I'll start with the free trial right here. And right after that, we have successfully connected our accounts on Instagram. So you basically want to go ahead and click on Get Started. Inside, we now have our dashboard right here where you can go ahead and click on Home, your contacts, automation, live chat, and lastly, settings. And so to get started with ManyChat, you want to head over to the dashboard, and from here, you simply want to click on automation. This is basically where we can go ahead and set up all of the automations for our Instagram account. From here, you have such things as basic automation and sequences. Now, to get started, you want to click on the new automation button, and from here, we will then be taken to the ready to go templates. Now, if you simply want to go ahead and do something like automate conversations with AI or auto DM links from your comments, you can go ahead and find such templates inside this window right here. So if you scroll down and let's just go ahead and say that we want to run a giveaway to grow our Instagram followers, you can just go ahead and click on this specific template right here. Now in my case, I want to click on the grow your YouTube template. Now of course, you can go ahead and set up any template you want to, but as an example, let's go ahead and click on this one. And now we then have this user flow where if someone message tutorial, it will then be taken to this flow right here where they can automatically subscribe through our YouTube channel. And now to make things easier, I have chosen another template right here. When someone comments on our post, it will then go ahead and automatically automate our DM. So here, the first step that you want to do is to head over to the post that you want to initiate the automation. You can just go ahead and click on the show all in order to view all of your posts on Instagram. But in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on one of my posts right here. Once inside, you can just click on next. And now we are at the next section where we can add specific words that will initiate this automation. Now let's just go ahead and say that when someone types hello on our comment section, it will then go ahead and initiate this automation. You can also go ahead and click on any words if you want to do that. But in my case, I'm fine with hello. So let's click on next. And now lastly, we have our DM message right here. Now, if they type hello, this AI will automatically message the person, hey there, I'm so happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a sec. Now, they will then go ahead and click on this link, making the process easier if you are trying to sell something or maybe you're trying to run a giveaway. Now, let's just go ahead and type giveaway here. And this is how easy it is to set up your automation from ManyChat. Choose your post, enter specific words or any words, and lastly, you can now go ahead and set up the last message. And so, what are my thoughts about ManyChat right here? Now, what I love about this platform is their ease of use. ManyChat's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to set up automations even if you're not tech savvy. Now, you can also go ahead and appreciate customizability. You can tailor conversations and flows to match your brand tone. And lastly, what I love about this tool right here is the impact on engagement. My response time improved significantly and my followers love the quick replies. Now, what could be better for this tool? The learning curve for advanced feature. While it's beginner friendly, features like advanced flows and integration may take some time to figure out and learn. You also have your pricing right here. ManyChat has a free plan, but if you want to unlock the full potential, like using it with 1,000 contacts, it can get pricey for small business. Overall, I'd give ManyChat a solid 9 out of 10. It's incredibly powerful, especially if you're looking to scale your Instagram without hiring extra help. And so, if this video has been helpful for you, please leave us a subscribe and like. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.